When Maharashtra was reeling under the rigid caste system and illiteracy, Padma Bhushan and many other luminaries. Karmir used to say, if you plan for a year, sow cereals. If you plan for a decade, grow trees. And if you plan for a century, grow good humans. And Bhavu Rao did the same in his lifetime. A work started with mere one student and the budget of Rs 30 later turned out to be a mission. Anna started 474 voluntary schools in rural and remote areas of Maharashtra. Teachers training colleges, free and residential schools, earn and learn scheme were some of his ambitious projects. He sent students abroad for higher education. However, it was not an easy journey. Caste riots, blind religionalism and disagreements were some dark clouds which surrounded Rayat Shikshan Sanstha from time to time. But Anna withstood these thunderstorms, making the Sanstha more strong. On this uphill journey, his better half Rayat Mauli Sau Lakshmibai Bhavu Rao Patil was the strongest support. During his absence, she would look after the children at the boarding house, whom Anna had brought from all corners of Maharashtra. She made every possible sacrifice for the mission. Once there was nothing left to eat in boarding house and Anna was out of station. Without any second thought, Vahini mortgaged her Mangal Sutra to feed the children at the boarding house. But all soon, in a cruel move, destiny took away Anna's courage forever, leaving him all in a midway. Untimely demise of Vahini, wife of Bhavu Rao Patil, was a great setback for Anna. He was shattered, yet Anna took over the role of the mother for the children at Rayat. And Rayat began to grow and blossom like a banyan tree. It started progressing at an unbelievable pace. Through his struggle and sacrifices, Anna's Rayat became the Rayat of masses. When Rayat Shikshan Sanstha was expanding and flourishing in a full swing on 9th May 1959, this modern saint set off on a journey to the cosmos. The great soul departed, leaving behind Sanstha for us to accomplish his mission. Anna's demise left the people thunderstruck with so many questions. What will happen to Rayat? Will the sacred river of education dry up? But since the foundation of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha was laid on the values of hard work and sacrifice, it kept spreading and developing with the same vigor. Following the path shown by Karmavir, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Yashwantrao Chauhan, Vasant Dada Patil, and former Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Rao Pawar have contributed in the progress of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. To know the expanse and development of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, let's have a look. Today, 4,52,228 students are taking education in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, out of which 2,37,829 students belong to the backward classes. The Sanstha plays an instrumental role in women education. As a result, 2,14,560 girl students are enrolled for the primary to higher studies. 13,148 strong workforce of Sanstha belong to 171 caste of Maharashtra. Out of them, 3,756 are women, which shows Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's commitment towards women empowerment. If we consider the expanse of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, then till date it has a total of 751 branches spread over 15 districts of Maharashtra and 1 district of Karnataka. It includes 7 administrative offices, 42 pre-primary schools, 52 primary schools, 441 higher secondary schools, 42 colleges, 7 B.Ed colleges, 91 boarding schools, 8 ashram shalas, 1 RIRD, 3 ITIs, and 57 other branches spreading education to masses. Rayat Shikshan Sanstha runs many schools and colleges in the remotest part of the state where the access to education would have not possible. This year, Rayat Shikshan Sanstha is celebrating its centenary. Providing quality and need-based education has always remained the utmost priority during the last 99 years. This quality has been certified by the government also. Out of 42 colleges, 7 colleges have A+ grade in NAAC, 12 have A grade, 6 are autonomous, 15 are ISO certified, 5 colleges are Center for Potential Excellence, and 1 cluster university. Rayat has given more than 1,135 administrative officers through competitive exam centers of its own. The Sanstha have brought new changes, advancements and innovations in education, enabling students to withstand future challenges. To make it possible, the Sanstha have signed MOUs with several national and multinational institutions like NSDC, UNDP, Lupin, Tata, Rajiv Gandhi Science Center, BVG and Jain Irrigation. Sanstha is taking up many projects to tackle with the major problems in agriculture sector. The milestone in our effort is that Rayat Shikshan Sanstha has started 3 CIII centers, that is Center for Invention, Innovation and Incubation, with the help of Tata Science Technology Park, Pune. The seed sown a century ago by Karmavir Bhaurav Patil has turned into a big banyan tree now. It has set a standard of quality in education and will be scripting new success stories in coming days.